Chinese know who we are. Alhamdulillah. Right. I have to say one thing as well. I'm ashamed that this is the first protest I've attended. There's been 3 protests, subhanAllah. This is the first one I've come to. Why? Because, to be honest with you, what I was reading and hearing what's going on with the Uyghurs, subhanAllah, I didn't believe this could be true. Really? 21st century? You're putting Chinese men in Muslim women's homes? Really? You're putting people in concentration camps in the 21st century? And the world says nothing? So I didn't believe it, subhanAllah. I couldn't, once I didn't believe it, but is it really true? But subhanAllah, what you've heard today, this is happening. And we need to get this out there now. Now,